Hello dear friend, in DaVinci Resolve 20, there are several new features which are totally free. These features are premium features. You don't need to pay anything. Just download DaVinci Resolve 20 now and start using. In today's tutorials, we will go through the main free features like multi-text features. Using this multi-text, you can write several sentences on your screen in video while editing, and voiceover features just in cut tab and edit page. Besides that, we have also a new features like keyframing feature just in cut page and edit page, dear friend. In today's tutorials, we will learn how to use this and we will extensively explore all these new features, dear friend, in today's tutorial. All steps are very important. Don't miss any steps. See the whole video. Once you see this video, you will have the clear concept of how to use DaVinci Resolve 20. In this tutorial, we will learn all the basics in this main features. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC, into DaVinci Resolve 20. We have just entered inside DaVinci Resolve. Here you can create a new project. If you want to create from here, just write project name and you can change the location, but I put it on default location, and here just create. Once you create, your project will be created. Stencil, we have already project here. We just click here and open here. Now we are opening our project here, and you can see here this is our empty DaVinci Resolve 20 user interface here. This is our media pool. Here all type of effects etc. We appear here. You see all effects. If you haven't gone through the basic of DaVinci Resolve 20, go to my playlist and you will find all type of basics, how to edit, how to create timeline, etc, add text. Today we will see some exciting new features in DaVinci Resolve 20 here. So stay in the class till the end, dear friend. The best way to import a file is just come to your file explorer here in Windows or according to your machine. Just minimize your file explorer so you can see very easily. You can drag file. This is our file which I want to edit in this DaVinci Resolve 20 update, and I just drag here and put to our diapo. Okay, once it's okay, this is our, you can preview here, and we will just drag to here to our timeline. Once you drag the project here, and you can here just minimize full extent zoom, detail zoom. This is the custom zoom. So full extent zoom, it will be default zoom, and now you can see your project here. Hello dear friend, in today's tutorial we will talk about why we should not use pirated softwares. So you see here, and you come to cut page. If you know my basic class, you can very easily trim your video in cut. In this way you can drag in cut page. We come here, you see, just drag. This is our playhead, but it's very easy. You can just add this, you see here, this to handle here, and you can drag anywhere very easily. You can cut, and if you want to cut this in the beginning your video, and this is very easy. Shift plus left bracket, just click shift plus left bracket. You see it has so easily trimmed, and we come here at the end of our video. You see this playhead will very fast move. It will move accurately. Frame by frame it will move. You see where you want, you can put here, but this playhead will be move very fast where you want. So I want to go to in at the end of video very fast, and we will come here, you see here, and now we will take this playhead, you see this downside, and we will very accurately trim anywhere. So come here, I want to trim at the end, so shift plus right bracket, you will directly delete it. Okay, without gap. It is so easy. So easily you can trim in cut tab. No, I tell you, in cut tab there is a good features which everyone needs. So you see in cut tab in the DaVinci Resolve 20 update, this is the voiceover features. You see here, just click here. If you want to voiceover in cut page, you can very easily do now. Just click here, and you see once you click, and you have all type of settings here. From here you can set up my audio input. I have already set up my microphone, Yeti Studio microphone, from which I am speaking now, and record track voiceover. Okay, I want to record track voiceover, and you can add here a countdown, 3-second countdown. You can add anytime. You can change these settings. You come here and you can do this 5-second countdown, but I use 3-second countdown here. And voiceover recording file location you can add if you want anywhere. For example, I want to just add here I have this audio folder and I selected the up on our file explorer. It will go to there if you record and you can use it later. Here everything is here. Track we have selected all, and here if you want to enable prompt overlay, okay. Load script file, we don't need actually this, and here you can put in queue. Here stop. Here you can directly record. So everything is okay. Track is a voiceover track. Okay, before recording, don't forget to mute the track. If you don't mute this, it will record your sound of this track, dear friend. So I just mute this track, otherwise disable track. I just mute, and now we start recording. Countdown has started. Hello dear friend, there is a major update for the DaVinci Resolve 20. Now the DaVinci Resolve 20 beta 4 is available for downloading, dear friend. We start downloading here, and everything is okay. Stop here. So you can see we have this voice over track here automatically generated because we have already saved here everything. And now we can see, hello dear friend, there is a major update for the DaVinci Resolve 20. Now the DaVinci Resolve 20 beta 4 is available for downloading, dear friend. We start downloading here, and everything is okay. Stop. So you can see here very easily now you can actually record in cut paste. If you have bad video while you were recording, during editing you want to add such a voiceover to your clip, and very easily you can directly record here. This is actually free feature in DaVinci Resolve. Before that I have to shift to always to fairy light here, go through all settings. It is several settings, but after this update it's very easy to add here voiceover record etc. And now we come to edit page. In edit page, in our last update I have already taught you how to record voice in edit page. If you haven't gone to my last class, go and see. Just click here, you say record here. If you want to record while editing, you have made mistake during recording your video in OBS Studio and you want to correct that, you can mute the portion of your audio from here and you can directly talk and add this audio here. So when I have set up a mistake while recording in OBS Studio, our tutorial class later, I use this feature. So it's a very handy feature, type DFN. Now let's go for our next feature. Our next feature in DaVinci Resolve 20 is a multi-text feature. Now you can type multi-text on your screen. This is available in Premiere Pro etc. And you see here, this is a totally free for us, dear friend. You don't need to pay anything. Just download DaVinci Resolve 20 and start using it. Just we come here, multi-text, and we will drag this to timeline here. Hello dear friend, if this class is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube, dear friend. But only you can make it possible just by writing a comment, liking, subscribing the channels. Even you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. It may be useful to them. Please favor me, dear friend. I am so tired making content. Please subscribe. Motivates me, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into the other step of the DaVinci Resolve 20 update here. Okay, just I extend our timeline and we can type actually multi-text on our screen and we can customize according to our need. For this, come here, you see add text. So we have default one text here. We just type here DaVinci here and we just change the color here. I want to take this color. Okay, I want to change the font size here. I want to take extra bold. Okay, and now come to add more text. For adding text, you see here you can add text. Point layout text. Point layout, this is normal and this is the in box if you want to add box text out, and this will be circle. So we just take here this and add text here, just click here. So you see we have added text here and now we can type. This is our text one which we brought here DaVinci. Here we type Resolve here and we want to change the color because background is white so it's not good. We take some other color. So for example we take red, this red, no, okay, this color we take and we can change the size if you know the basic settings etc in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, and from here you can change the bold. You can take regular size, extra, light bold, semi bold, italic. I take this semi bold italic. Okay, we can change anytime the color if we are not satisfied. We take like something like this. Okay, and now we come here to add more text. Here you see here and circle layout, it means we can add circle text. Just click here. Once you click here, it will add you this. You see text free means we can type other text here. So we just click here, and I want to type tutorial free course. Okay, it's not visual, so we change the color here. We just come here and we take something like, okay, you see red color, we take, okay, and we change the font here. I want extra bold, and now you can see we have added this round circle text here. It's so good, and you can use their help for your production work. It's a really good feature now in the DaVinci Resolve 20 update, and you can change the position etc. from where you see settings become for extra settings, and we change the position. Now you can change here. For example, I want here, and you can up down, you can go to up down here, you can add from here, and you can start keyframing etc. If you know zoom effects, you can do. If you have followed my last classes etc. about keyframing, you can understand how much you can customize inside DaVinci Resolve. So dear friend, this is really a premium feature and totally free features. We just move it to here, and anytime you can come here in title. From here you can delete here. If you want to hide here, just click here, it will be hidden. You see it has been hidden. I want to just hide this, you can hide any text here, and anytime you can just customize. You just click here and you come to this, you come to here DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Then you can change the font position etc. Here all tracking, color, font, all are available. Paragraph, you want to add paragraph like this, you see it will be this side, it will be this side, it will be this side. Here, change here, you see here I'm changing. You can justify the font from here. You see here, it will move to this side. Try one by one and you will understand what's the work of this. So this is our default here, and you can anytime change from here. This is our work of paragraph. These are all the advanced settings here. And here you can add the direction, it will be horizontal and vertical. You can add like this, but I don't need vertical. You have to take a small text and then you can make it vertical. You can take a reverse horizontal. It has reverse our text here. And from here you can take the reverse verticals, the reverse vertical, but I don't need this. I take this automatic size here, and reading direction you can change from here left to right here, and right to left. Okay, we take here automatic and use font kerning. Here all are the settings about the font merge. This is the advanced we learn, and here apply mode etc. In screen mode it will be in screen mode, and it will be dark, and you see dark, and you can change like apply mode, color burn. If you know the mode, apply mode, what's the mode, it's the advanced. And the light you can change one by one here. Linear light, you see it's the linear light. Try. And you see, if you need advanced class about this text, please write me in the comment box. I will make you advanced class for you. See here, luminosity, it will like luminosity effect etc. Here all are the advanced situation you can add from here. You see here exclusion you can add. So these are the work of this blend mode. Difference you can add here. See here linear light, okay, part light you can take here. Color burn, if you want color burn like this. I think this is green, or otherwise is type here normal. It's normal size here. Apply again etc. All are available here. There. Try this is actually good features, multi-text features here in the DaVinci Resolve 20 update. Our next new feature is also related to text, customized text. For this you come here, just you see here basic text where custom title text plus. If you haven't moved to my text plus class, go and you will learn advanced class about this, then it will be easy. We just drag it to our timeline here, and now we can write multiple sentences. So we come here to title here, you see we have selected, and I want to type, for example, we come to the website of DaVinci Resolve here, and I want to copy this all several text here. Okay, we have copied here, and now we come to DaVinci Resolve here. I want to type all this. Just paste. You see we have several sentences here. First we change the color actually. We take something red, okay, and this color, and from here we change the font etc. Several fonts are available according to your choice. You change, and here all size you can change etc. But we come here to, after pasting all text here, we come to layout. In layout you see we have this is the point mode, and now we have text box mode, we have circle mode, we say text box. Just click text box, and this is our new feature. Wrap to text box and clip to text box. During the middle, we need these. Actually, you see, we have now in the text box, we have several sentences, and no, it's not visible because we have to minimize the size from here. We just minimize size and make it smaller. You can see here several sentences we have here so easily. We have put in the screen here. You can add keyframing etc. if you know about the advanced of DaVinci Resolve from my last class. Come here and text here. You see here text etc. And you can change the positions. In setting we come here and we can change the position something like this here. Our text will be here. The several sentences you can type here, and we take another text in the same way. Here we type here. We want to type DaVinci Resolve tutorial or you. See, we have several, and we change the color from here. Okay, something red. And now come to our layout here. In layout here, this is the point mode, and this is text, and you can make it circle. We have in circle here, and you can change the position. Come here to settings here, like in this way, and you can start keyframing etc. Versions virus filters, which actually, so you see, it's a so good, and type this feature, dear friend, it's a totally free. Now let's come for our next feature, which everyone needs. We come to media pool here, and I have this photo here. We just come here and we paste here, and we want to start keyframing. So you see, now we have keyframing panel actually here in our editing page. You just click here keyframing. We have all types of keyframing have appeared here. Now we start keyframing. You see this diamond point, add keyframing, and we want to make like zoom like this here, and when our frame will be here, and we will make it some like bigger here same, and our frame will be here. I want to add some other framing rotation. We'll just type like this, and when our frame will be here, and we will we make like this. Okay, here we rotate again to straight like this. Okay, and when our frame will be here, and we make it bigger zoom effect like this. And here rotation, you see here, you can see now we just play this from your computer, your bank account number etc. And I add the so you see now we have actually this keyframing parameter just in our edit page here. You see here, you can anytime on click here and click here, it will be activate here. And actually these are the point here. We can anytime change the point here. We come here, and here we have curve. We just click here keyframe curve. You will find the curve here. So you see we have here keyframe, and we can anytime change this position like this. You see here anytime we can change, or from here you can change, and directly from you can change here. We have here a keyframing. Just click the point here, and you can change like this curve here. You see here, and you can change here. You have keyframing here. You see here, and we can change here directly. And this is our head, and we just take this head, and we can change directly from here. So we export the dear friend. These are all parameters are available here, and if you want this separate window for keyframing, just click here. You will get this separate window. You see here we have separate window, and you can maximize the window from here. It will be more visible. Now inside the edit page, you can very precisely start keyframing etc. Once you maximize, you can see here this linear. You can add ease in, ease out. If you know about the keyframing basics, you can understand here. Hand mode, add keyframing, you can add anytime. I want to add keyframing here. We just click here. Here we have keyframing here, and we can make it small and bigger. You see here. So same way come here, but we want to add keyframing here. Here we add anytime you can add point here. It will add your keyframing, and you can change the position here. I want to take something position. We just click here position. We have position keyframing here. I'm changing here. From here you can change. Try dear friend, export this keyframing. In the summary cut page, we will have a keyframing panel here. You see we have in cut page here, same keyframing. Just click here, and now you can see we have a keyframing here. All will be our behind our timeline here. Just you see this our clip is here, and our video, and here you can see all the details of what we have. Transform, zoom, we have added and we can resize from here, we can add that way. It's a good where we have a keyframing in details, but most of time we will work in keyframing parameters here. So each parameter is available in our edit page and cut page. Write me in the comment box how have you applied all this. Which type of tutorial do you want about the DaVinci Resolve 20? Write me in the comment box and apply all these new features to your clips, and go to our last update to see other new features which I have already explained in my last tutorial. Dear friend, we meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.